Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how to change your profile picture on Golf Battle. First of all, launch open your Golf Battle game on your device and make sure to log in using your Facebook account's credentials. Tap on Login with Facebook whenever you see the interface and then make sure to enter your Facebook account's email and password whenever prompted. After you type it down, you'll be able to see your Facebook account's profile avatar also taken by Golf Battle avatar. If you want to change that to something else, just go to your Facebook and change your profile picture, and once you do that, you'll also be able to change your profile picture on the Golf Battle game. So that's super easy, isn't it? All you need to do is to update your Facebook account's profile picture and you'll be good to go as well in Golf Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.